Hey y'all, welcome to the DIY Entrepreneurs channel. My name is Hesha and I'm a serial entrepreneur. I am also a business administrator who work with other people to help establish, plan, research, develop, and even dissolve their businesses. Hence me starting the DIY or do-it-yourself entrepreneurship agency firm. And at the DIY Entrepreneurship Agency firm, what we do is work with solopreneurs or new business owners who are looking to start their entrepreneurship journey. And we work with them to help to establish those very foundational processes that they need in place, and also help to develop their routine that they will be able to get off to a good start in starting their business. And what you can expect to see on this channel is me reacting to a different type of entrepreneurship type shows, giving my feedback, some of my insights and wisdom, and also just some encouragement, how other entrepreneurs had to go through their journey, the decisions that they had to come in contact with to make in order to scale their business, start their business, or close the business, right? And so you're going to be seeing those type of shows here on this channel. I'll also be getting back to inviting other entrepreneurs on the show to share their insights and their wisdom as to what they were able to do in their businesses in their entrepreneurship journey as well. So, thank you so much to my current list of subscribers, all 300 of you guys. I really appreciate it. I appreciate the interaction you give me on the channel with the comments and making sure you like the channel or the videos. Definitely continue to do so, and I appreciate that so much. So make sure you check out our playlist. I try to keep the channel organized, so go ahead and look at our playlist and you'll see a couple of different type of shows there listed there. And when you're watching the shows, please make sure to like the button, hit that like button before you blow it up full screen for me, because that counts to the channel growth. And make sure you comment. I love the interaction on my channel, so please continue to do so. Let me know you're watching. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know where you disagree with me at and where you agree with me at. I love it all. So please continue to do that. And last but not least, if you are a entrepreneur or a solopreneur who are looking to start your journey, make sure you check us out. Go to our website, www.thediyentrepreneurs.com, and see what services we may be able to assist you with as you start your entrepreneurship journey. All right. Thanks so much for stopping by, and I appreciate you.